you guys? This is your girl Coco Barbz back at it again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. This is the Queen's Throne. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below Barbz Gang if you with the heat. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. All right, you guys, let's get started. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer with the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 11. I'm just gonna blend that out with my concealer brush. I'm gonna go in this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and take this purple. And then I'm placing this color closer to my crease line. And now I'm taking this fluffy brush, and I am gonna take this purple shade right here. Go back in with my more denser brush and pack more of the purple in the middle. So now I'm gonna cut the crease with my Juvia's Place concealer in shade 11. So I'm going to go in with this purple color again, and then I'm gonna go on the outside. And then I'm gonna go in on the other side of this brush with that same pink color. So I'm gonna go on my Badescu Morphe palette and take this color right here. And then I'm taking this color to put in the middle of this white and pink shade, just to give it fading gradient effect. So now I'm taking this color right here, kind of velvet dark purple color. Okay, so now we're done with the eyes. I could talk to y'all a little bit more. The eyes are usually like, I need to focus, but let's get into this primer first. I'm gonna be using two primers. First, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Prime Base. I can't find the top, but then I'm going to take the Studio Finish primer by Smashbox and then put that over. I like to use this one because it blurs the skin. And then I like to spray my face with the Badescu Rose Water Spray. This is my favorite spray, okay? Period. Now I'm gonna do this routine as if I'm going out, even though I'm not. Because I have oily skin, I always like to put a translucent type powder on my face after I prep my skin, because my makeup just lays smoother. And when I go outside, I don't sweat as much because I put the powder first before the foundation. You know the deal. The powder that I'm using is the Milani transparent medium to deep powder. I normally pat the beauty blender on my hand before doing this. Just go in with a light layer. And this also helps with coverage as well, if you have any dark marks like me. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty foundation in a shade 450. And I'm just going to put that on. The coverage with the brush is just flawless. I used to be strictly beauty blender, but as I am using these brushes, it's just so good. I like to spray and then just push that into my skin with the beauty blender. So next I'm going in with the concealer by Covergirl in Deep Golden. Going under my eye first with that one. And this is full coverage. Y'all know I am a drugstore queen. I love drugstore products as well as the high end. But when you going somewhere quick, you know, not a lot of people gonna see you, and you wanna stay in your bag or stay out your bag. These drugstore products can give you a run for your money. I'm gonna go in with a lighter color of that CoverGirl concealer in Golden Caramel. Right here. I honestly think, low-key, that this quarantine is a blessing in disguise, because it does give you time to think about, you know, what you're doing with your life, who you really are. You know, it gives you time to learn more about the family that's around you, the people that's around you. I feel like it's just how you look at it. If you look at it as a negative thing, it'll be a negative thing for you. But if you don't, it won't. I know, me personally, I have dealt with a lot of anxiety, depression, thinking that I'm not good enough during this quarantine, and it's really just the trick of the enemy. Girl, do not let the devil get you down. You are the one, not to one, baby girl, queen. Know yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't let your thoughts get in your head and just ruin your self-worth. You know, try not to sit in the dark all the time. Get up, do your makeup, do your hair, you know, work on your goals. I know at the beginning of this quarantine, that was not my focus. My goals were not my focus, you know. I'm just taking the Airspun powder and just putting it everywhere I put concealer. My goals were not the focus. I was just trying to sleep, chill, you know, watch as many TV shows as I can. But just recently, I realized, like, girl, when are you gonna have this time again? You never know. You never know how long it's gonna last. You don't have to take off from work, from your 9 to 5, to do these YouTube videos or to brainstorm, just use this time. And when I started focusing more on what I want to do, it's just like I feel so much better. I ain't going to lie, I was low-key, I had a mild depression thinking that I wasn't really good enough for this YouTube game, or I didn't know what I was doing. And sometimes I feel like that, but if you feel like that, I would just say do your research. You know, preparation is everything. Now I'm gonna go in with my SACHA Buttercup. Ooh, every time it gets me. The key to powders is just to put a tiny bit of each powder that you choose, because you don't want to look cakey. So what y'all been doing? Let me know in the comments below how y'all been feeling during this time. I don't know about you, but some of my exes been texting me, girl, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. All these people got a lot of time on their hands. Don't let him text you and make you think that he really wants you back. Let's see how he acts after this quarantine, period. Get in your bag, period. Focus on yourself. And I used to hate when people say that, like, focus on yourself. Stop, just stop. You don't even do that. That's how I would feel. But ever since I learned how to, for real, that's what I've been doing. Sometimes it's boring, other times it's not. But at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do, period. Y'all, I completely love this palette by Black Radiance, the True Complexion Contour palette. This is the dark to deep palette. So I go in with this middle shade right here first. Don't clock my wig. This is like my favorite part. Like, this is the part when your face start coming together. I like to go in with this shade to contour. This brown shade. And this is what really gets my face popping. I feel like personally, I just found myself talking about guys too much, talking about things that don't even matter. And then I look in the mirror and I'm just like, what have I really accomplished that I wanted, you know? So that's why I'm telling y'all, like, don't be distracted by all the drama that a lot of these guys bring. Just keep it moving. He don't want you, girl, you can find somebody else. Actually, you don't have to, because your man is coming. Your man is coming. You need to speak it into existence. Your man is coming. Okay? I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Mircosmooth powder, and I'm gonna just go over all the parts that I just want to be a little bit golden. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner and lashes off camera. All right, you guys, I'm back with my lashes. I wanted a bold lash, baby, and this is giving me what I need. Yes. So now I'm just going to do my bottom lash line. It's very simple. I'm just gonna go in with that pink color with this brush because it's more precise. Mascara. Too Faced Mascara. I'm just going to sharpen my NYX pencil. It is in dark brown. It's an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip pencil. And what I do is I overline my bottom lip and underline my upper lip. So I'm gonna do a dab of this Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream by Milani. Just a dab. I'm taking this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in a Mocha Twist. You can really leave it like that, but your girl loves lip gloss. Oh, I forgot, you guys. I always forget. Why don't y'all remind me? Gosh. My highlight, I don't go ham on the highlight, but I'm gonna take this same pink color and use it as a highlight color. I love this palette. I'm gonna spray with my Mario Badescu spray. Let that sit, baby. Then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set Spray. And then I'm gonna do a couple of sprays of them. Ooh. Okay, let me do my hair real quick. I'm back. What do you think about the look? Who's quarantined, honey? Who is quarantined? Because at this point, I'm going out. Quarantine chill, who? This started off as a quarantine makeup therapy, and I'm delivered. I'm delivered, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Oh my gosh, I'm on cloud 9 because I know this look is fire. But thank you for watching this video, you guys. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm so happy to have y'all on my channel. I'm so happy to grow my YouTube family. So don't forget to subscribe. It's free 99, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below how you like this video. Oh, and like the video too, okay? So I want y'all to be blessed, be encouraged, and be aggressive with your wave. See you in the next video. Bye. Okay, this look is giving me goddess, or got this. I got this. Y'all got it? Y'all get it? Goddess, goddess, got this. I know. Anyway.